Local news for Wednesday, the 18th of March. Medlink has cancelled their Meet the Managers meetings that were set down for today, while Carterton Business Gain Momentum is closed until further notice. A statement on their Facebook page says they have 2 members in self-imposed isolation. WorkSafe New Zealand has opened an investigation into circumstances around the death of a Morrisville man who died after a quad bike accident. And police are appealing for witnesses after a 58-year-old man was arrested for alleged assault. On Saturday, the 14th of March, a woman was seriously assaulted at the northern end of Queen Street at around 4:45pm. Around 15 minutes later, the same person allegedly biked to Queen Elizabeth Park and allegedly assaulted a man known to the woman. Both victims sustained serious injuries and required surgery in hospital. The man charged with assault is due to appear in the Masterton District Court on the 23rd of March. And finally, Wairarapa Bush have announced that all levels of rugby have been delayed. Rugby at all levels will be postponed until the weekend of the 18th of April. Netball New Zealand have announced they'll postpone all winter competitions until the 2nd of May, while Friday Night League softball has also been cancelled. Kia ora for local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.